I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by declaring the task so the bot knows context. Tell it, you are an aspirant preparing for Upsc prelims or mains, and specify output type. Once done, attach the syllabus points or paste the question directly. Make sure to include source names and year. Use short, exact prompts, ask for an outline, key facts, or a 300-word answer. Don't waste time on setup. Start with a concrete request and a 45-minute focus study plan for immediate practice. You now move into detailed execution by refining responses, request point-wise answers, timelines, or compare concepts in a table. Once you get a draft, ask for exam-style MCQs or a 250-500-word essay and request the difficulty level. Make sure to tell the bot to prioritize facts from specified sources and to list assumptions. Use iterative prompts. Simplify, expand, or make concise until the answer matches exam requirements. And practice answering aloud using the bot's sample questions. You complete the session by validating facts and converting results into revision tools. Create flashcards, 5-point summaries, or a 7-day plan. Once done, rehearse answers and time yourself under exam conditions. Make sure to request alternative viewpoints or counterarguments to strengthen answers. If the bot contradicts sources, reprompt clearly with the source line and ask for reconciliation. This is the key troubleshooting tip. Always force the chatbot to reconcile differences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.